in my backyard with this beautiful creature here. I am so happy and proud for what I have here. Oh my god. I don't know, but it's something. Something. I am surrounded of all the birds here in my own yard. I can just sit in there and just right there next to me, you know? They made my day every single day. They make me feel so happy looking at them, you know? Hi birds! What are you guys up to? Thank you for staying here with me. Look at how many is that. I might be superstitious, believe, but what I have here is just amazing. You know, there is a day that I just can't believe how much I have here. And then something special. Look, what's in there? Squirrel. It appeared to be on my video too, a squirrel. So yeah, look at the birds there. They just stay there. See how much birds is that? And I'm right here next to them, you know. Oh, guess what? There is a robin. So what does that mean? Winter's over? Or comes the robin join in to other type of birds, which is I do not know. Certain birds, I really don't know what's the name of them. But yes, is a tons, all kinds of birds. You know. Yeah. And then right there, look at the robin. The robin take all the whole entire bathtub. Oh my god. There comes another robin. Oh, and I flew off. There comes another one in there. Laying on. Okay. Look at that. Look at them. Birds everywhere. Oh, there comes my favorite one. There comes my favorite one, stepping into the bird bath. The cardinal, the male cardinal. I'm so enjoying it. Oh, there it comes. Oh my god, they're happy that I put water in there. They're enjoying the water. Oh my god. Holy cow. Oh my god. So, okay, I think that's all for now. You know, I want to go back inside. But first, I want to get the very top one. Look at that. After they swim into the bath over there trying to dry up themselves. There comes other one probably waiting until she or he can get some spot there. comes the hummingbird again. Came back. So yeah, I don't know what type of birds are they in there. Well, one thing I know robins, I know cardinal, but reality I don't know some of those type of birds.